With a budget of $1 million, what type of freehold property can you get in Markham? Hi, my name is Priscilla. I'm your real estate broker in the Greater Toronto area. Today, I'm going to help a young man who helps his mother to find a property for homestay in Markham. Before looking at the property, don't forget to subscribe to my channel so you won't miss my weekly real estate knowledge sharing and some wonderful virtual tours. See you later. Let's have a look at the surrounding. This property type is link. A link property from the outside looks just like a detached home, but in reality, they share a common wall in the basement or foundation with the house next to it. We are located at Highway 7 and Markham Road. This location is very convenient. In front of us is Highway 7. We are very close to CF Markville Mall and Foodie Mart supermarket, very popular among Asian community. There is a storm door. It's spacious and very useful in winter to remove boots and jackets. Immediately on the left of the entrance, there is a powder room, fully renovated. We can see the sink and the toilet standard set for powder room. We keep going forward. We can see that this property was renovated not long ago. We have the stairs going to the bedroom on the left. We'll come back to it later. On the right, there is a living room. There is a step, so older people should be careful. The design is very modern. Next is the family room, kitchen and dining room open concept. The kitchen area is pretty big. There is a lot of countertop space and cabinets. There is an island with a sink. The countertop is made of cars. This is the breakfast area. The renovation is nicely done because the light from the window seems to overflow thanks to the mirror to the wall. I think that this area has a double purpose as a breakfast area and dining table. Because on the other side, this is the family room and there is no room to put a dining table. The renovation of this property is new, but it's a little bit small as we don't have a dedicated dining room. Let's go to the second floor. The design is very nice. Let's start from the left. The first bedroom is about 160 square feet. I really like the color of the wall. This is the backyard. We can see that some landscaping was done with the two-step flower beds. We can see the first bedroom from this angle. The second bedroom is about the same size as the first bedroom. It's slightly smaller, around 150 square feet. It's wide because we can put a nightstand and a table on each side of the bed. This is a shared washroom. I like the fact that there are two sinks. Two people can brush their teeth at the same time to save time in the morning. There is a shower. This is the master bedroom. This room is wide. There is a king-size bed and it could easily fit two big nightstands without any problem. The ensuite washroom has a very contemporary freestanding bathtub. There is a walk-in closet. The master bedroom is facing the front of the property, Highway 7. In summary, I really like this property. The choice of the material and the design was well made. It's not very big, but it feels very cozy and comfortable. Finally, let's go to the basement. The basement is finished. This is the washroom. This room could be a living room. We have a small bedroom. It's about 80 square feet with a small opening as a window. This basement is rather deep under the ground level. We mostly have to rely on the light bulbs to have light. This is the end of today's video. If you are interested in any property type, neighborhood, or price range, please feel welcome to talk to me. I'll be more than happy to arrange showings or take virtual tour videos for you. My service is 100% free. See you in next video.